Hello, Nova's viewers.
Don't put me in a box now. What's wrong here? What's right?
We're gonna go get some wine because, you know, since he's cooking, we gotta contribute something.
And I just feel like he threw down. I'm just so excited to eat. I haven't really ate all day.
I haven't eaten anything either. But he said he liked the Stella Rose. We were getting these for him.
Yeah.
We're going to 5 minute morning. Caught you yawning, yeah. I just can't get no easy. I know you need me. I just gonna ride your way, but do you a favor, yeah.
Family dinner.
I know I can't get no easy. I know you need me. I'll check this shirt, some catching up. She got the Henny and tequila, no catching. The way she move her body, man, it's from a texture. Don't make me sing this year's song. I made it out on my own. You call me later when you're all alone. Ooh, yeah. Ooh,
I love the way it sounds. Like I love the sound of rain, like heavy rain too. And this doesn't happen in LA often, so like I just want to take it in. This type of weather is the kind of weather that reminds me of home. I love the kind of weather where you gotta snuggle up with a hot drink and you could just be next to some candles and just kind of be away from the outside world and let the outside world just be where it is. And you can be safe in your own home. If it wasn't so dirty, I would go outside and just like feel the rain. One thing I do love to do is earthing, which is basically walking barefoot in grass or mud or sand. And I feel like earthing while it's raining is like, it's like the ultimate grounding experience. I don't want to get like too hippie for y'all, but yeah, that's the type of shit I like to do. Like back home in Iowa, you could walk around barefoot. There was just earth and water just everywhere for you to see and experience and just be one with Mother Nature. And sometimes I do miss home for those reasons. But I just love it when Mother Nature kind of like reminds us that we're not in control. And I feel like for some that might feel a bit frustrating, but for me it's like it takes a weight off of your shoulders, because it's like, why are you holding the weight of God on you? Like, that's too much. Relax. Everything is as it's supposed to be. Yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish up these clothes real quick and get my room back into tip-top shape. Laundry done, room clean-ish, and I'm about to go to the gym. See you at the gym. Yeah, you, oh, you. I'll see you at the gym. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm about to go through my piles of clothes that I have and figure out what I want to give away or sell. So I have a pile in my room currently, and then I also have one in my car. So I'm gonna go through the pile in my room first. It's really not that big. I'll show you. It's only like this much, but I have stuff like this that I just never wore. I feel like I would sell this, to be honest. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through this and this too. Like I just didn't like the way that it fit, but it's still cute. Can I talk to you about how annoyed I am by just men recently? I'm currently going through a breakup, but even so, I feel like I've always just been annoyed by the male species. And it's weird because I attract them. I just attract so many men and it makes me sick. I hate it. I hate it. Like, you know when a guy is being persistent and it's like, it's cute, but at the same time, it's like, leave me alone. I'm just in a space where I just want to be left alone. Just in general, like, I don't want to deal with anybody. My main focus is my career goals and just like myself. And I get that like a lot of women like persistence, but if I tell you to leave me alone, leave me alone. I feel like girls don't always want to be bothered. Like, just leave me alone. Right now, I really am focusing on myself, and I mean that. And I guess I can understand how, like, sometimes when people in general just say, like, oh, I'm gonna focus on me, that a lot of times they're lying, but I have no reason to lie. That's not me. I'm not a liar. If I say I'm focused on myself, I mean that. And I'm really just in a space with the male species where I just want to puke. I was just looking at my numbers earlier on Instagram, and it's like lately I've been reaching 75% men, and it's just like, why? I don't make content for men. I don't. Like, can men enjoy my content? For sure, I'm a pretty woman, but it's like that's all you're here for the most part. It's the fact that I'm attractive. So it's like, why are you following me? Or like, it's hella bots on my page where it's like they got 47 followers and they following about 50,000 people. Instagram needs to regulate that. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. Sick of it. You ever just had to tell a dude, like, bro, for real, leave me alone. Like, no, I told you I don't want to talk to you. Stop fucking messaging me. Like, why does it have to come to that? Why do you have to block dudes? Why you gotta block a man just to get some peace? It's gonna be my second week just like really being in my solitude. Over the holidays, I spent a lot of time by myself, and I'm just in that space where I feel like I do need to be isolated, because like I'm so focused on what I'm trying to do right now that I just don't need any outside influences around me. I don't need any drama. I don't need anything. I want to attract money. I want to attract a community. And I think also it kind of hurts my feelings that I mostly attract like men to my Instagram, and even to this channel. I feel like it's mostly dudes on here, and it's like, y'all can go. I want to build a community of women because specifically women of color, because I feel like that's where I feel safe. I grew up around mostly women. I don't know. I'm sick of all of it. I'm sick of the gender wars. I'm sick of just men feeling entitled to everything. I'm sick of all of it. Like, you think you so fine that you could just hit on me in the DMs and that I'm just gonna be like, like, who are you? Anyways, let me go outside. Okay, so this is also a bunch of stuff. And I just need to, I guess, go through this in general. Don't that look better? Wow. Beautiful. Don't you wanna fall in love tonight? I feel like I'm just in a weird mood lately. Like, I don't even know. It's not loneliness, but it's just like, and I'm getting things done too. I'm just not like ecstatic about life right now. Like, I think, am I bored? I might be bored. I think I'm bored. And I don't really know how to get myself out of this space other than just keep moving forward. It just feels like every day I write the same thing in my journal. I'm talking about productivity, and I guess I get why people want love so bad. It brings unpredictability, having other people in your life. And now that I'm just pretty much alone every day, I think I'm just bored. And it's like, of course, I'm in my head like, all right, girl, if you're bored, then like, channel that into some music. Channel that into making a YouTube video. But it's like, no. There's no, I don't know. I'm not making any sense. It's been only a minute. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what it is or why, but I've been having so much trouble falling asleep lately. Like, wow, I didn't get up. My friend called me at like 11 to talk to me about something, and I talked to him for a little bit, and that's what kind of woke me up. But I didn't go to sleep last night till like this morning.
I'm not able to tell you what you need. It's a shame, cause they say I should be honest for one day. I'm sure I'll figure out the reason I was telling us for.
Tell me why. Let me go back out because I'm trying to just not be too loud. Tell me why the people that live underneath. So I live in like a shared space. It's a few of us up in here, and we all have our own. We all have our own rooms and our own space and things, but obviously we share like the kitchen and the common areas. So tell me why the new people that moved in moved my plates. They moved. So in the cabinet, we all have our stuff in certain places, and they had their stuff above mine. Tell me why they just switched our shit and acted like I just wasn't gonna do anything about it. Like, I guess I don't understand the logic of some people, like the entitlement that some people exert is just like mind-blowing. Because like when I was new here, when I first moved in, I didn't have anywhere to put my things as well. I got it how I lived. I put it where there was space. And if there wasn't space, I brought it upstairs to my room. So it's just like the audacity of y'all to move my shit. Maybe it's just me, but I don't touch other people's belongings. Like, not when it's not that serious. Like, I'm short. I'm not tall. I'm average at best when it comes to height. So it's given like, how dare y'all touch my shit? I just don't understand the way that people just be trying niggas. It's just like, it's like mind boggling to me. I don't understand. And then people force me, me specifically, people have always forced me to have to say something to them. And then I always end up being the bad guy because I'm telling you to respect my boundaries and not touch my shit. I don't get it. Don't get it. But, yeah, I didn't film anything today. I went to the gym with Janae. I filmed that a little bit. Well, I showed you. I feel like life has been a blur. Yesterday, I was gonna shoot my purple shirt outfit, but I ended up getting called in to a bartending gig. So I went and I did that because I could always use the extra coin. So I went and I did that, and then I came home and I went to sleep. I talked to Janae on the phone while she was at work, and then I passed out, and I actually got a decent amount of sleep because the past 2 days I just been up. So I'm gonna try not to do that tonight. It's already 1 a.m. It's already 1:30 a.m. So I'm gonna try at least get to sleep by 2:30ish. Hopefully they're done with, or they're close to done with whatever they're cooking. So I'm gonna go downstairs and make me something real quick because I'm hungry. And then after I make something, I'm gonna clock out. I have to edit this video so I can get it out for you guys in a timely manner on Sunday, which I've been doing really good at lately. So, and let's talk about my growth on YouTube, y'all. I'm so happy to have the subscriber count that I have right now. It's almost 100 of you. I was hoping to get to 100 before February. We'll see. It's looking pretty good right now. There's about 90 something of y'all. And listen, welcome. Thank you for being here. I appreciate y'all so much for supporting me in my journey. I am trying to get monetized as soon as possible. And what that takes, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So, y'all, help your girl out if you can, if you care, if you enjoy my content. Please comment, subscribe, like, all that stuff. Yes, So yeah, I'm almost at 100 subscribers. I set my expectations for this really low because I didn't want to hurt my own feelings. You know what I'm saying? This is a new medium. I haven't ever done anything like this before, but I fairly enjoy it so far. So I'm hoping that I can continue to get decent content out to you guys. And also, like, I'm learning and I'm getting better by the day. And I feel like each time, like, my vlogs and my videos just come out better than the ones before. So I really, you know, I'm just trying to grow, just period. Like, I'm trying to grow on every level. So yes, thank you to the 90 something subscribers that I have right now. I appreciate you so very much. But yeah, let me go down here real quick and see if I can cook. All right. Yeah, buddy. Y'all, I am so late. I'm running late to my friend's bridal shower. Speaking of, oh shit, let me put the down. Okay, so I am running late, but
in 1 mile, turn left to merge onto Interstate 10 West.
GPS. It's raining too, y'all. It's been raining all fucking week, and that has made it hard for me to get everything that I wanted to get done. They've been talking about how the rain that's been going on in California is historic rain, and climate change is really fucking up the world. And
in 3.9 miles, turn right onto National Boulevard.
But I am rushing now. I did a little get ready with me. Honestly, if I didn't do that, I probably would have been a little bit more on time. At this point, I'm like a whole hour and like 30 minutes late. I'll probably an hour and like 45 minutes late. I am sad to be being this late, but it is. I had every technical difficulty in the world, y'all. Like, my water heater wasn't working this morning. Yeah, like, you decided to be. But we made it. We are here. Therefore, we about to be on our way. I just feel like life is life. Oh, I forgot. This is that tingly stuff. No! I feel like I done used a lot of it already. So I have my lips on tingle. You know, the lip plumping lip glosses. It smells good though. I feel like Janae used this. I'm pretty sure it was in her car. Why does it smell like this? It smells all juicy fruit. Yeah. But y'all, I have had every technical difficulty known to man. My water heater wasn't working. I wasn't able to take like a real shower because I'm not getting in the shower cold. I'm not taking a cold shower. I'm not in jail. This is my home. And then just off the rip, I woke up late because last night I was up late, as you seen. So we here, we're making it, okay? We're making it as fast as we possibly can. We gonna see. I am excited for this food though. I'm so excited. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I arrive, and you'll see a few little clips here and there. Today is Saturday, by the way, so it is the last day of this vlog. You knew that we would end it with a bang, with something interesting, you know what I'm saying? All the girls gonna be wearing nude. I'm interested to see what Tiara has on. She did send me a little map this morning of where the event spot is, because apparently it's easy to miss the street. that the place is at. Oh gosh, I hope I don't have to walk. Parking in LA, basura, is trash. There's literally never parking anywhere. So I pray, Lord, I come to you a sinner, but please make sure there's a parking garage somewhere. It's raining down, and I don't want it to rain down on me. I am not SWV. I have been rained on enough, okay? Getting in this car. And then one of the people that lives in my building was parked like this close to me, and it's giving like, why? Don't understand people. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what's going on when I get there. I think I gotta continue to go straight. I need this GPS. I'll talk to y'all in a second.
See you, so beautiful lady. You make my eyes go boom, and that tells me I need you soon, but I can't. All my hoes rockin' Audemars. All my hoes rockin'